What's going on, you guys? TheBionicScoop here. Chilling in my new little setup here. It's built out of my other room. Do a little streaming in here. I'm going to talk to you guys today about a phone I purchased. Motorola Edge Plus. Love the phone. A little bit more coming up about performance a little later. I just kind of want to jump on and make this one kind of quick because I discovered a new problem I'm having. Apparently this is apparently it's something that happened to a lot of people, but I'm just going to throw the pictures up of some of the screen issues I'm having. Now, I discovered this on accident. I was just kind of sitting there and it was kind of dark, and I looked at the left side of the screen. I was kind of confused. I was like, I don't look right. So then I used a text message to myself on my other numbers to demonstrate this. But yeah, here it is. Look at the discoloration. Here's a picture from Twitter and a comparison of this picture with a picture from a Pixel 4 XL to show you the difference. So that's that. Something to look at. A little more coming about the performance of the phone. I've been in contact with Verizon, waiting to see what they want me to do with it. But that's all I got for now. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're back. It's the next night. And update. Got in contact with Motorola and Verizon. Verizon was amazing. Got everything swapped out for me. Lickety split. Did have an interaction with Motorola, and they said this. So that statement kind of leaves me a little leery about getting another one. If they're still developing a short-term and long-term fix for a problem, if they think it's software, I think it's hardware. And we've learned from other phones like the Essential phone, you can't fix hardware issues with software updates. So I decided to go with an LG V60. Like I said, Verizon was great. It'll be swapped out, and I'll see you on Thursday. So that's all I got. Take care, you guys, and I'll talk to you later.